Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail notifications not working on iPhone. If Gmail notifications are not appearing on your iPhone, the issue is usually related to notification setting. So firstly, you need to open to your settings app and here scroll a bit down until you find these notifications and tap there. And under this notification, scroll a bit down. Here you need to select this Gmail app and make sure you have allowed the notification in the top right. If the icon is toggled off, you can simply turn it on like this, and this is it. You can ensure the notifications are enabled for the account you're using. And if you want to alert for the every message, you can also select for the sound or badges. Simply toggle it on, and that is it. This is how you can fix the Gmail notification not working on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.